In this video, I'll be showing you how to redeem Discord Nitro code. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually super simple to go ahead and do this. And all you want to do is go ahead and open up your Discord application, then go over to user settings, which is going to be on the bottom left. Now, once you're here, you're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to go over to gift inventory. You're going to see redeem codes. So if you received a code for Nitro or even a game, all you got to do is enter the code right here. It shows you exactly how it's going to look. It's most likely just going to be all letters and no numbers. So just make sure, you type it in properly and make sure you also include the dashes. And then once you're happy with it, go ahead and press redeem right here. And then it also is going to show there are any gifts. If you want to give someone something, you can also gift them from this area as well. But yeah, you can also do this on the phone. You can't do it on the mobile application. However, when you go to gift inventory, you're going to have to do it on the browser version on your phone. And yeah, then it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.